Hey everyone, and welcome to the Out Loud English Podcast. I'm Jake.
And I'm Mia. We are so excited to have you here for day 1 of our 5-day real-life English challenge.
That's right. Over the next 5 days, we're going to give you some fantastic English conversation practice. We'll focus on simple, daily English phrases that you can use immediately.
Exactly. And today's topic for day 1 is English for going places. This is all about the words you use when you're leaving your house to meet someone or go somewhere.
We're talking about how to say you're leaving home, you're on the way, or maybe you're running late.
We'll also cover English for talking about traffic, looking for parking, and finally, arriving at your destination.
The most important part of this challenge is to speak out loud with us. This is active English speaking practice. Don't be shy. Today we're practicing English you can use before you even arrive.
So, why is this topic so important, Jake?
Well, going somewhere is something we do every single day, and we often need to let people know where we are.
Right. You might send a quick text or make a short call. You need to say things like, I'm on my way, or sorry, I'm running a little late.
Exactly. And these phrases are useful in so many situations. You can use them with your friends, your family, your coworkers.
Even with a rideshare driver, or when you have an appointment. These are real English phrases for real life. The goal is to feel confident.
You don't need complicated English to sound natural. A few simple phrases are all you need. So, are you ready to start with our first situation?
See you later.
Okay, so some really common phrases are, I'm heading out now, I just left, and the very popular, I'm on my way.
Let's put that in a short, natural conversation. Imagine your friend texts you. They ask,
Are you leaving soon?
Yeah, I'm heading out now.
Then they might say, Great, I'll see you soon.
Sounds good. I'm on my way.
That's a perfect, simple conversation. And just a quick tip, I'm on my way is a great phrase. It means you have already started your journey to the destination.
Okay, now it's time for our first shadowing practice. This is where you speak with us. The goal is to copy the rhythm and sound of the phrase.
Ready? I'll say the phrase and you repeat it in the pause. Listen first.
I'm heading out now.
Great. Now shadow the rhythm. Say it with Mia.
I'm heading out now.
Nice. Let's do the next one. Listen first.
I just left.
Now shadow with Mia.
I just left.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Now you say it.
I'm on my way.
And one more. Listen.
I'll see you soon.
Your turn.
I'll see you soon.
Fantastic job. You're already sounding more natural.
Okay, let's move to situation 2, running late. It happens to everyone sometimes.
Right. So knowing how to say I'm running late in English is super useful. Some great phrases are I'm running a little late, or more directly, sorry, I'm running late.
You can also reassure the person by saying, I'll be there soon. And if they've been waiting, it's always nice to say, thanks for waiting.
That's really polite. Let's try a quick conversation. Imagine your friend is waiting for you at a cafe. They call and say,
Hey, are you almost here?
Sorry, I'm running a little late.
Your friend will probably say, no worries.
I'll be there soon. Thanks for waiting.
Perfect. And a quick tip, saying I'm running a little late sounds a bit softer and more polite than just saying I'm late. It shows you're aware and you feel bad about it.
All right, time for more English listening practice and shadowing. Ready to try these phrases out loud? Listen to Mia first.
I'm running a little late.
Now, your turn.
I'm running a little late.
Next one, listen.
Sorry, I'm running late.
Now you try.
Sorry, I'm running late.
Okay, listen.
I'll be there soon.
Now shadow.
I'll be there soon.
And the last one, listen.
Thanks for waiting.
Your turn.
Thanks for waiting.
Excellent work. Being polite in English is always a good idea.
Okay, on to situation 3, traffic and delays. Sometimes the reason you are late is not your fault.
That's so true. Let's learn how to talk about traffic in English. A very common phrase is, I'm stuck in traffic.
You can also say, traffic is really bad, or it's taking longer than I thought.
Right. And if you've already told them you're on the way, you can update them by saying, I'm still on my way. Let's try a mini conversation. Someone texts you,
Where are you?
I'm stuck in traffic.
Oh no, is everything okay?
And you can reassure them, yeah, traffic is just really bad. I'm still on my way.
This is so useful for anyone driving, taking a bus, or in a rideshare. It clearly explains the delay.
You know what time it is. Let's practice speaking. Get ready to shadow Mia. Listen first.
I'm stuck in traffic.
Now you say it.
I'm stuck in traffic.
Next one. Listen.
Traffic is really bad.
Your turn.
Traffic is really bad.
Okay, listen.
It's taking longer than I thought.
Now shadow Mia.
It's taking longer than I thought.
And last one for this section. Listen.
I'm still on my way.
Your turn.
I'm still on my way.
You're doing great. Keep speaking out loud.
Our final situation, number 4, is arriving and parking. You are so close.
Yes, the journey is almost over. When you are very near, you can say, I'm almost there. If you're driving, you might need to say, I'm looking for parking.
And when you finally arrive, you can announce, I made it. It's a happy, successful phrase. Then you can make a plan to meet by saying, I'll meet you inside, or I'll meet you there.
Let's see it in a conversation. Your friend texts,
Are you close?
yeah, I'm almost there.
Great.
Then you can add, I'm just looking for parking.
Okay, I'll meet you inside.
And you finish with, perfect, I'll meet you there.
That conversation covers everything perfectly. And remember, saying, I made it is a friendly and casual way to say, I have arrived.
Okay, our last shadowing practice for today. This is your chance to really solidify these phrases. Listen to Mia.
I'm almost there.
Now you try.
I'm almost there.
Next one. Listen carefully.
I'm looking for parking.
Now you say it.
I'm looking for parking.
This is a fun one. Listen.
I made it.
Your turn.
I made it.
2 more. Listen.
I'll meet you inside.
Now your turn.
I'll meet you inside.
Last one. Listen.
I'll meet you there.
Your turn.
I'll meet you there.
Wonderful job on the shadowing exercises today.
Now let's talk about texting. Many of these phrases are perfect for quick text messages. They are short and clear.
Yeah, absolutely. Things like, I'm on my way, or I'm running a little late, or I'm stuck in traffic are classic texts to send.
Now, for a bonus situation, unexpected delays. Sometimes it's not just traffic that slows you down. What can we say then, Jake?
Let's imagine a quick text conversation. Mia, you start.
Another really useful one for texting is, can you send me the address? It's a clear, polite question.
Okay. Are you coming?
I text back, yes, I'm on my way.
Then I ask, great, do you have the address?
I reply, not yet. Can you send me the address?
I send it and say,
Sure.
And I finish with,
Thanks, I'll meet you there.
see? Very simple, very clear. Perfect for real-life texting.
All right, it's time for our mini challenge for day 1. This is where you put it all together.
Yes, I'm going to the store. I'm leaving now. I'm on my way, and I'll arrive in 10 minutes.
for example, I could say, I'm going to meet my friend. I'm heading out now. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon.
Okay, it's your turn. We'll guide you. Ready? First, say where you are going. Go ahead.
Good. Now say you're leaving. Use one of the phrases we practiced.
You are on your way.
Perfect. And finally, say when you will arrive or mention traffic or parking.
Okay, amazing. Now try to say all 4 sentences together. Take your time.
That was brilliant. You just explained the whole situation in clear, natural English. You should be proud.
Before we finish, let's do a quick review of the most useful phrases from day 1.
I'm heading out now, or I just left.
And the classic, I'm on my way.
I'm running a little late.
I'm stuck in traffic.
I'll be there soon, or I'm almost there.
I'm looking for parking.
I made it.
I'll meet you there. And of course, the very polite, thanks for waiting.
And that is a wrap on day 1 of the 5-day real-life English challenge.
Congratulations! You practiced real English for going places, leaving home, being late, traffic, and arriving. This is English for beginners that you can actually use.
We hope you feel more confident. Join us tomorrow for day 2. Mia, what's the topic?
In day 2, we'll practice English for shopping and buying things. It's going to be so useful.
Awesome! Before you go, we have one more challenge for you. In the comments, write one sentence using I'm on my way.
For example, you could write, I'm on my way to work, or I'm on my way to the coffee shop. We'd love to see your examples.
And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the 5-day real-life English challenge. Thanks so much for listening and speaking with us.
We'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye for now.